Hi everyone! I never knew that making a butter at home is so simple. It only requires one ingredient – heavy cream. When I made it the first time, I was amazed with simplicity and the taste of the homemade butter. But my favorite part is experimenting with flavors by making a flavored butter, which is also called a compound butter. So in this video, I will show you how to make homemade butter as well as flavored or compound butter from the store-bought heavy cream. For this recipe, you will need the following ingredients: heavy cream, 1 pack or 2 cups, and some salt, which is optional. Step number 1. Before preparation, let heavy cream get to the room temperature, which should be around 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Just leave it outside the fridge for about 30 minutes. Room temperature heavy cream will separate faster than a cold one. For a butter making process, you will need a food processor, which I prefer, since it's a lot faster and a lot less mess. But you can also use handheld mixer. It might take a bit longer. Make sure you don't overheat your appliances by turning it off every 5 minutes. Now pour heavy cream into the food processor and get it going on high. Your mixing time is between 7 and 10 minutes. In the process, you are separating the fat from the milk. First, it will turn into the whipped cream, then firm peaks, and then it will become more solid. As it becomes more solid, open up food processor several times and move the mixture from the walls to the center with the spatula. Step number 2. Once butter is solid, get rid of remaining liquid. This liquid is actually buttermilk. You can use it later for pancakes or other baking ideas. Make an ice bath with the ice-cold water. Rinse the solid butter with your hands in the ice-cold water 3 to 4 times. You can use spatula to help with the process. And here you have it. I typically pack it in small containers like that, or you can also use a parchment paper. You can add some gourmet salt on top when serving, or add some salt at the end of the mixing process for your taste. Homemade butter will last in the fridge for about 5 to 7 days, or you can store it in the freezer for up to 6 months. Now my favorite part, making a flavored or compound butter. This is the time to get creative. For this video I will make a garlic and herb butter. Mix up 1 garlic clove and 3 sprigs of parsley in the food processor. Then add butter with a pinch of salt. Butter should be room temperature so it will mix easier. Mix for a couple of minutes until consistent, and it is ready. Now it's time to get creative. There are endless combinations of flavored butter. You can make sweet or savory options. Share your creative ideas in the description of this video. And if you like this video, you should also watch my favorite video on how to make curd cheese at home. It's also super simple. Click the next video on your screen. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.